everybody, the BigSagSeason, yes sir. Hey everybody, we got a couple of vacations that we're about to be going on. So we have a Cricut machine and I'm gonna show you how to actually make your own shirt so you don't gotta keep going to the store. You actually can just write something that's pretty cool and go about your day, you know that? But hey, we better go ahead and get to it. What I picked up here, you got your big Cricut. Boom, you got your vinyl. I just got the red vinyl just for the fact of what we're gonna make. Got your cutting board. Don't cut your hand. Snap. Boom, boom, boom. Got my handy dandy computer right here. Then I got that bad boy right there. That right there is your Cricut cutter. Yeah, everybody get crazy with that. And to tell you the truth, if you got a steady hand, man, just buy some vinyl, get one of these little things, and use an iron. I know you got an iron at the crib. All right, so first things first, find out what you want to make. This right here, I have the Cricut design. So we're gonna make something real small, real slight. We're gonna click there, and we're gonna put actually take that back. You already know what channel we on. All right, cool. All right, so we have this subscribe right there. So this is a trick that you wanna do. When you click subscribe, so this is a trick that you want to do. When you click subscribe, make sure you want to know how big you want it to be. We're not going to make it too big. So we're going to line it up with the 0 and the 5. All right. So now we have your cutting board. You got a little bit of stuff on there. It's real sticky. So you got the 0 to the 5. That's around how big you want it. Let's go. So, okay, we have the white shirt, and you see we have the red vinyl right there. Just put this on the back right here. All right. So we can just grab this right here. Just kind of line it up. That's gonna be big enough, at least just for the purpose right now. So you do have the option of getting a smaller cutter board, but I recommend getting the longer one so you can use both sides. So when this side stops sticking, you could turn it around and use this side. But we're gonna go ahead and go back here. So we do have the subscribe word. We're gonna go ahead and click that. We're gonna go ahead and flip it. Make sure you flip it. That's a real important part. So now that we have it flipped, it should still be at that number 5. And now we're about ready to go ahead and make it. Click that make button. All right, have it set up there. Just bring it down just a little bit. All right, before click continue. All right, so that's actually loading. I'm actually gonna go ahead and push the power button. I actually forgot to do that. So while that's turning on, I'm gonna come over to the machine. So I actually set my temperature high, so I go to 360. You can go up and down by these right here. Like I said, I click at 360. I have that set. Let that get hot. All right, cool. So now it says your light cardboard. That's what I have it set as. You see you have the different ones. You have vinyl, you have iron-on, light stock, cardstock, the different ones. Me personally, this one cuts pretty far in there where it does not cut both sides of the vinyl. So like I said, you got the vinyl, already made a cut piece. Alright. It's a little bit longer, but that's gonna be all right. Alright, boom, that's where we have it. And then from there, it's easy as pie. Alright, go ahead and press that button. Then the C button starts lighting up. That thing starts to get busy.
And then it's done. Like that.
All right, that quick, we're heading towards the end. Go ahead and close that up. Close that up. Rip that off. Cool, cool. And we headed to the end. We're on the final stretch. And like I said, I do have the cutting board, but if you want to use your scissors, I recommend you get scissors anyways. Cut that bad boy out. It ain't that big. Save a little bit of money. It's vinyl on it. This vinyl's not cheap. Alright. Cool. Alright. Yeah, this is what they call weeding it. Boom, but it just come off so smooth. Too smooth.
Alright.
Cool. You got the inside of the B's and R's. Alright. Take that off. Boom. There, got a lot of stuff up there. Alright. So now, right after you warm the area up just a little bit, put that bad boy on. Make sure it's straight. So you get ready, you press it, press that bad boy down. You have a timer right here. I personally go ahead and like to do my own head count. I go anywhere between about 15 to 21 seconds. Press it off. It does look a little bit darker right now, but that will lighten up. That's just because of the heat. So just let that sit. Give it about maybe about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 4 to 5, whenever it cools down a good amount. Yeah.
If you like what you're seeing, press that like button.
All right, that should be about enough time. Just go ahead and peel that bad boy off. Should come right off. Boom. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. How to make a shirt so you never gotta go to the store, or you just go to Yawa Prison and order a Yawa shirt. Hey, press that like and subscribe button. Hey, follow for more.